We have new details tonight from CBC Investigates on the investigation into last year's fatal flash fire at the refinery in Chance. CBC News went to court to get the RCMP search warrant documents made public. Well, today a judge ordered them to be partially unsealed. As Rob Antle reports, it's shedding some light on a police probe into possible criminal negligence.
Dramatic scenes as helicopters land on a Clarenville grocery store parking lot near the local hospital, loading workers who were hurt hours earlier in an explosion at the Chance refinery, bound for the Health Sciences Centre in St. John's. One person died, 7 others seriously injured. Provincial occupational health and safety officials and the RCMP began to investigate what happened. Initially, the Mounties concluded the explosion wasn't a criminal matter, but months later, something changed.
In January, the RCMP reviewed information gathered by occupational health and safety officials. That's when the investigation became criminal, for possible charges of criminal negligence causing death and criminal negligence causing bodily harm.
It's not clear why police made that decision. Much of it blacked out. Also under wraps, exactly who the subject of the investigation is and what the Mounties were searching for at the refinery site when they went there in early March. But there are details revealed about the explosion's aftermath. One witness said they heard a boom, then instantly saw a flame rolling across the ground and heard people screaming and asking for help. Another witness said they went down to the explosion site and it looked like a war zone. The RCMP court filings also reference apparent concerns about safety. From one victim's interview summary, "We need to slow down, they're pushing us and someone is going to get hurt." And a witness told investigators there are shortcuts made to save money, and the direction comes from one person. After the RCMP executed the search warrants in March, Brea said worker safety is top priority and stressed that the company had developed a thorough, safe return-to-work plan for employees. "We are committed to our safety culture and have an open-door policy to ensure a safe workplace for all." Late this afternoon, the company said it didn't have anything further to add. Meanwhile, there was no update from the RCMP on the status of its investigation. Rob Antle, CBC News, St. John's.